October 29, 2025. So today he was here, the man that should help me move. His name is Ilya, and he's from. I asked him where he was from, and he was from Latvia. And I say that then you maybe know my last name. I told him, and he say it's a little familiar for him, and I say that my last name is from Estonia. I say, and then he shine up and say, "Ooh, neighbors," he say, and I told him about my DNA, that I belong to a Romanov family, and that my closest famous person is Alexander II, the Tsar of Russia, that was killed of those Bolshevik people working, those working people that didn't like that they have so much money, the Romanov, and the whole family was killed. Even the kids was killed. Brutal in 1918. And so I told him, and he was impressed, because he knew the story, and he can speak Russian also. So it was not so very strange between us in that way, that we know the historic things, and he helped me with everything out in the garden, and I'm going to put up a picture of it, so you can see how it looked like in my garden when he have cleaned it up. It's sad to see it, but it have to be done, as I had to pay for it. If the landlord do it, it should have been more money to pay. So yes, I got 3 hugs from him today. I'm so happy, because it is many years since a man did hug me. I have not been close to a man for many years, and now he hugged me really tight, not like a stranger. It was really a bear hug, and so I'm happy in that way to be close to a person. I needed it very, very much. When he was here in the beginning, I was thinking I must do something for him to hug me. I felt so very, very, very strongly that I must have some hug from him. And then he hugged me because I told him that I need to have a hug from you, I said to him when he was close to me and standing in the door and was close to me, and I say, I need to have a hug from you, that because I have not had any been close to a man for many years, I say to him. And then he hugged me, and then he said, you need to come even closer in the hug, he said to me. So he hugged me once again. And then he helped me with my belongings that was outside my home. And he have not cleaned yet inside my home. But it was in the garden, and then he was and clean up my my extra storeroom. It was only empty boxes, and he took it to my garden and place it there so I can take some boxes and put my belongings so that I should have with me to my next apartment. But it was this, again was it this I felt, that from heaven, that they wanted me to flirt with him and be closer to him. And I don't know if he have a wife, but I check him out on internet. I only saw that he had 2 children, adult children, and about between 20 and 25 years old. So it was no small kids he had. And I didn't find a wife. But it can be a wife. And then I can't do so much more than to him than to get a hug. And I think he don't have a wife. That maybe she have died, and because it felt like he needed that also, a hug. And then when he left, he was standing for a long time in the door, and then suddenly he come up to me and hugged me once again. And one time in the hug, I was thinking, now he's going to kiss me, because he looked like that, but he didn't do that. But I saw that he was on his way to kiss me. So it went very well. But he will know my age, because he needed to have the information to could lower my tax for the work he is doing. And so I don't know what will happen, because it seems like he should not help me to really move. I don't know what it was in his mind, and how he was thinking, because I say that now is it a gap here when you are going to move me, help me to move. And I told him that I have changed the internet. So the internet start to work in my new apartment just that day I should move in. And I told him that I need to move in because my internet is there and not in this place where I am now. And I say I need to have my bed moved to that new place in December 1st, I said to him. But he was a little confused. So I don't know what will happen, because it seems like the money he say I should pay for the job was only for to do the garden. So I don't know what will happen, but he told me that he is going to come in December the 1st and help me to move. And it seems like he's working on his own, but I find out that he working together with his son, but his son was in another place, so they need to come together in December 1st to move my belongings to my new home. And I have been thinking about it. What should he do? He should clean up my home. Who will come? Should he do everything on his own? And I don't know. I'm a little scared again, because it can be. My brain was confusing in this when I sign up a contract with him that he should do everything, and everything was maybe only the garden, and he did it today. So the garden is clean, and I have a picture where he have placed grass, also a seed of grass over the soil, and he say I should take a picture of it, that he have done that. So I had taken a picture of it, and then of course that everything have been cleaned out from the Jesus garden. And it is like a symbolic thing once again, that is because I have come so far from Jesus now in my knowledge about heaven, and Jesus is still my ancestors, but he is not in any religion for me, and so it's very symbolic also that the garden is gone, and in the garden it was saying Jesus garden, and that garden doesn't exist anymore. So I will see, and you will see what will happen now after this day. But I still haven't get any help could pay for my moving. No one is helping me to pay the bills that will be. And tomorrow is it going to be one bill that take money from me? And that is the health care from this community, and it take much money from me, that, and I don't have so much money. I'm not scared about it, because I can at least pay those rents. But this man from Latvia, I need to do something that have nothing with money to do. And that was the first step today, that he hugged me and we were very close. And I don't know about this, to come to be together with a man, because it is over 10 years since I was with a man. And but at least I have showing him that I am interested to be together with him, because he's working hard, man. So that is very good to see. And then we talk a little about God, and he believes in God, so it seems okay. But it must be in God's will. So it maybe take a little more time. I'm sleeping now because I have not could sleep the whole day, because I have the normal cleaning today also, and it was a man from Pakistan that was here and cleaning my home, and so I maybe we'll see what will happen, but I have at least telling this man that I'm interested of him, and then it's his turn to do something, and he did when he come and hug me. So you don't believe in this. You laugh when I talk about the young man, to be together with a young man. But it maybe can happen. We will see. And we will see what's going on with the bills also. Oh, so I was so sleepy. I'm going to eat now a little. I'm going to eat meatballs with lingonberry and for once boiled potatoes. And then I'll be very sleepy just after the food. So thank you, and God bless you. Now you know that I am a little in love, and I hope he is also in love.